Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to hide formulas in Excel. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Excel if you haven't already. After opening up Excel guys, you will be greeted by the option to either create a new workbook or to select the file that you already want to edit. We already have a file and we're going to enter our file right here. Go ahead and enter your file guys or create a new workbook. And after you enter guys, you can see that here we have some values in our table right here. And here we have some formulas that we want to hide. So you can see currently in this field we have the formula of a sum. And let's say we want to hide this formula. So how do we do it guys? Well, it's very easy and you only need two steps. The first step guys is to go ahead and click right here in this plus button to select the whole Excel spreadsheet. After doing that guys, go ahead into the upper right corner and find this option right here called format. You want to go ahead and click on format and then click the last option right here called format cells. Go ahead and click on format cells guys, and here you want to go into the tab called protection. Clicking on protection guys, you can see there are two options, locked and hidden. You want to uncheck this option called locked. Uncheck that guys and click on OK, and now you have unlocked all the cells. And the next thing you want to do guys is go ahead and select the formulas that you want to hide. Let's say this is the formula that we want to hide, and after selecting that guys, now you want to go back to format and you want to go ahead, click format cells again, and then you want to click on hidden. Clicking on hidden guys, you want to go ahead and click on OK, and now guys, and the next thing you want to do guys is go ahead, after selecting the hide the formula, you want to go into review and then in the upper right corner, and then you want to click on protect sheet. So guys, go ahead and click on protect sheet, and you want to go ahead and you want to enter a password that you want. After entering password guys, then you want to go click on OK, and excuse me guys, let's type in another password. After entering the password guys, click on OK, and now guys, you can see you have successfully hidden your formulas and you can no longer see formulas in the Excel tab. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.